Rated R.
Wow. Quite dazzling. Nothing says Christmas like the Star of Death. Let's see what's going on. What is... Oh, looks like... If I follow the trail, I will see where this package of remnant leaves. Looks like... Somebody got something in the mail recently. It's like... Oh, look, it's Brad Pitt. What? Whoa. Looks like we got something in the mail, didn't we? More collectibles. Right, Brad? You seem kind of like you're in deep thought. What do we get? Well, that's just a weird coloring book for Malabach Fraglerna. That's not so bad, is it? Or this fine puzzle from my favorite show, Fraglarna. That's not so bad, is it? Los Fraguel. I sense a theme. What the? It's Brad Pitt, and he's naked.
Yup, you heard right. He's completely naked. With no clothes on. Naked.
Well, it's just a sticker of you naked. I guess that's kind of weird. Don't you remember posing for that? There's girl, and she's naked.
Rated R.
There's the guy, this surfer dude. Brad's naked. Guess these are a little bit off. Oh, look. 5 o'clock shadow. And there's also an actual shadow. Well, there you go. Nudity. It's beautiful, don't you think? I didn't know Brad Pitt was such a prude. The heck was that? Oh.
Rated R.